Hello! Today we explore the Thai island of Koh Samui by sitting on top of a 4x4 truck, driving through the mountainous jungle, seeing some popular landmarks along the way. We also find places to relax and eat some delicious food. After a 6-hour journey from Krabi, we couldn't wait to get to our accommodation and get settled in. This is how it went.
So we've done a proper mistake here. We've booked a room for about 4 nights and it's grim. There's mosquitoes everywhere and there's like a big gap under the door so they can just come in willy-nilly. The pool is absolutely grim. I'll give you a quick look at that. Looked alright on pictures and stuff and there's aircon and all that lot, but...
So, I'm sure Tom's giving you the rundown, but the main thing is it's ages away from everywhere and it's crawling in mozzies. So we checked into another hotel, which is £15 a night. Tom found it. The lady was really nice. As soon as we arrived in the taxi, she ran over. She was like, I've been waiting for you. We were like, thank you. The bed in the last place had like stains all over the duvet and all the towels were like dirty, and here like the towels are clean and the bedding's clean and
it's better. Cracking start to the day. Full English, and now we're off to the beach, which is just a 2-3 minute walk or something like that. So let's hope it's nice. It's a bit overcast though, isn't it? Today? Yeah. It's warm, but overcast, so...
Island vibes. I've got a shell necklace.
How much?
100 baht.
It's like £2.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah. He came over and Tom looked at me and he was like, go on then. Because I've wanted one since we've got here.
Test.
Really nice.
So we are heading into the chaos now. Doesn't look too chaotic at the minute, but it will be. It will be soon. So we're looking for a night market to start off with, so for some cheap food. We're nearly there, I'm pretty sure. We'll try and catch what it's like just wandering down these roads. This is like heading towards the main road. Hello! Adverts. Rent a bike. Night market down here.
So it is where I thought it was.
Looks plenty of food options. Looks plenty. Hello.
Hello.
70 baht.
Yeah, happy hour.
70 baht. Like
Only 70 baht.
Yeah, you have a look at that menu, I'll have a look at this one.
You have a menu?
About 80 baht, pa?
We're in. Here? Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. We then went for a wander around central Samui and then ended up booking the 4x4 trip for the next day. So this morning we're going on this. It's a 4x4 jungle excursion.
Grand Safari Tour.
So it should be good. It's taking us all over Ireland basically. We booked it yesterday. It's like 30 quid each, which isn't too bad because they pick us up at 9 and I think we don't get back till like 4 or 5. So it's a full day.
You get lunch.
So not bad at all. But it does mean 7-Eleven breakfast and it does mean a cheap day tomorrow. But hopefully it'll be worth it. So we're getting ready to get picked up.
We're at our first temple where we can see the Happy Buddha. It's the first one that we've been to, like ever actually, and it is beautiful. Like we haven't really kind of explored yet, but so far the architecture is just fantastic. So let's dive in.
So this is the first temple we've ever been to, and they are very nice, aren't they? Although there's a cat knocking about, and people just leave the rubbish as well. Like I saw like a yogurt pot, cans of Coke.
I thought they were like donations to the Buddha, but they're not. It's just rubbish.
It's just people thinking, I'll put a bit of rubbish here.
I put a Pepsi Max here with a straw hanging out of it. We then continue to look around this temple before heading to the next. So we're just that big Buddha, and you have to cover your shoulders and your knees as a woman to not disturb the monks. And
It was now time to get on top of the 4x4 truck and head to the mountains and the jungle. Oh no!
Oh, we're gonna get out of the side.
I hope it finds up.
Oh god. It's proper fun, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a bad idea. Oh, that is. The weather forecast did say thunderstorm.
Yeah, but we took it as just
But we woke up and it was glorious. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh, Tom, look at this photo.
Where do you reckon we're going?
Are you ready?
This is oh my god. Oh, duck! This is insane. It's actually cold. Wow. I think we're swapping.
Away.
I hope so. It's just been chucking it down, but we're at a viewpoint.
Absolutely
It's been class though, hasn't it? It's been well good.
To think that I put that Crep Protect on these when I first got them, to think that it would actually help. They're literally just squelching inside. I know. Oh! I'm afraid.
Oh.
Ah!
Has it forgot someone's up here?
I think so. Thirdly, Mummy, give me hand to see my sweat. And look at that.
Sorry. Oh. This is mental.
It is mad, isn't it? I feel like all my eyelashes are going to come off.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
We're at the secret gardens now, and it's pretty nice. Cute is the word. I
Not
think.
much of a secret.
No, quite a few people know. It's not that busy though, is it?
No.
And it's lovely.
And it's come out sunshiny.
Yeah, we're drying off now, which is good because we were drenched.
We went to the last place. We came back and we were waiting to like get on the bus, and then someone was like, "Oh, did you see the snake?" And I was like, "What snake?" And then we turned to the lady that's like showing us around, like the guide. She's called Nikki. And I was like, "Nikki, what's this about a snake?" And she went, I'm like, "What?" And she goes, "It's only small, but it's very deadly." And then the guy showed me the picture, and they were literally like right next to a snake. And apparently, as soon as it starts to rain, they start falling out the trees, and we're all under the trees. And I was like, "Well, Nikki, come on, let's get everyone out into the road."
Come on, Lauren, you can do it. There you go. It is a path.
It's always blooming going off road.
We then went for a spot of lunch at this viewpoint, and luckily the weather had cleared up by then and it came out nice. It was then time to head to the coconut plantation.
Now, we didn't really have very high hopes for this, but actually it turned out to be my favourite part of the trip. We got to learn about all the different stages of harvesting the coconut, plus one really cool fact.
Basically, they've trained the monkeys to go up and get the coconut, so I don't know how, but we did see a truck with 3 monkeys on the back all swinging around on the way to work. So yeah, I were well impressed with that.
And we also got to try some fresh coconut as well.
I can do that. Should we ever do?
Should we try this coconut embryo?
Is that what it is? The
Yeah.
embryo?
Prepare. Literally. So we've just arrived at this waterfall and we packed our swimming costume and everything in caution for it, in preparation for it, and we're definitely not going in.
The water looks a little bit manky. We'll go down and have a closer look. We then went to see a mummified monk, so pause the video and skip about 15 seconds if you don't want to see that. If you're wondering why he's got sunglasses on, it's because a lot of children were getting scared, so they've had to cover his eyes up. So we've just got ourselves some coconut ice cream.
Classic.
I just tried some, it's well nice.
It is really good, to be honest. I don't really like coconut in general, like bounties and stuff like that, but this is nice.
So where are we? We're at some sort of grandfather and grandmother rock. I think it's them out there, so let's go have a look.
So we're here at Grandmother and Grandfather Rock, and Nikki, our tour guide, was like, oh, come and see Grandmother. So we went down, and then literally it looks like a vagina.
Now here
I
in this town,
see.
It's Grandmother Rock, Grandfather Rock.
Oh!
And that's the grandmother, and Nikki was like, oh, happy ending. And we were like,
And then the grandfather's over there, which looks like the male genital.
the penis.
So,
But also, she's just had us like spooning on this rock.
so like, I'll take a picture of you both. So she goes, right, you lie here like
Like
this.
honeymoon style.
Yeah, and then next thing we're spooning on a rock.
And then Tom had to give me a kiss on the cheek. She was doing it on my phone, but all of a sudden her phone comes out as well. Quick picture on hers.
There's one on mine as well. Okay.
So it's just that.
Okay, Nikki. Anyway, I think that's pretty much the end of the tour. It's been brilliant. We've just got to ride back now. It's been probably
like
my
the best
favourite
tour.
day. Yeah, it's been the best day of the whole trip so far. I mean, we've only been here just over a week.
I know, it's crazy, and we keep
We've done
saying
loads
that,
though,
don't
haven't
we?
we? Yeah. But it's been...
Like seeing how real coconuts are made, and
Yeah, that were well interesting.
I love that. I like things like that. So thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for next time, where it's a super busy one because we're going to the capital, which is
Bangkok, and it is chaos.
It is super chaotic. So once again, if you would love to like and subscribe, that's fantastic. It really helps us. But if not,
We'll see you next time. And there's no pressure.
there's no pressure.
Goodbye.